Hey everyone, welcome to Dimapur. This place, right in the middle of Nagaland, is a super cool mix of culture, history, and adventure. Forget those big cities. This is where things get interesting. We're talking about old ruins, busy markets, and enough energy to light up a whole town. So get ready to explore Dimapur, the biggest city in Nagaland. Okay, explorers, let's figure out where we are. Imagine this. We're in the south of Nagaland, right by the Big Diku River. Dimapur sits right on the riverbank, like a door to the rest of this amazing state. Now, if you look at a map, you'll see Kohima, the capital, about 46 miles away. But Dimapur, it's got its own special feel, its own beat. It's closer to Assam, just a quick trip from Golaghat. This location makes it a super important connection point, a place where different cultures meet and stories mix. Dimapur is a city that deserves respect, a place where you need to be ready for anything and good at figuring things out. Every stone here has a story, and Dimapur is like a library of them. Way before the Naga tribes came here, this land belonged to the Kachari kingdom. These rulers were not your average kings and queens, no way. They left their mark carved in stone for everyone to see. We're talking about ancient ruins, giant stone pillars reaching for the sky, walls that seem to whisper stories from long ago. These Kachari ruins are more than just cool places to visit. They're a direct connection to the past, a reminder that even the strongest empires can disappear. It's really amazing to stand among these ruins, to feel the weight of history all around you. Hey, adventurers, listen up. Out here, you've got to be ready for whatever the weather throws at you. Dimapur's climate is what you call subtropical, a mix of serious heat and refreshing rain. Summers here are no joke. The sun is intense, the air is thick and humid, and you'll be sweating just standing still. But don't worry, monsoon season comes in like a relief, soaking everything with heavy rain. Winters are a different story. The air gets crisp and cool, perfect for exploring without breaking a sweat. Chapter 4. A mix of cultures, Dimapur's people. Dimapur isn't just a place on a map, it's a lively mix of cultures that have come together over many years. We're talking about the Naga tribes, the Chakesang, Angami, Sema, Rengma, each with their own special traditions, languages and beliefs. But that's not all. Dimapur is like a melting pot, a place where people from Bengal, Bihar, Marwar and more have come together, creating a vibrant mix of customs and foods. You'll hear tons of languages, see a rainbow of clothing and taste flavors from all over the world, all within a few blocks. Festivals here are amazing, a constant reminder that diversity isn't just about accepting others, it's about loving the richness that different cultures bring. Chapter 5. The engine room, Dimapur's economy. Don't let the relaxed atmosphere fool you. Dimapur is a busy city, the economic heart of Nagaland. This is where business happens, goods are traded, and money flows. Farming is super important here. Rice fields stretch as far as you can see, cornfields sway in the wind, and the air smells like fresh vegetables. But it's not just about growing food, it's about making things with your hands, about skills passed down through generations. Naga shawls, beautiful works of art, bamboo crafts made with incredible detail, and wood carvings that tell stories without words. Dimapur is a crucial trading center, connecting Nagaland to the rest of India, especially Assam. Chapter 6. Getting around Dimapur. Now, getting around in this part of the world isn't always easy, but Dimapur has got you covered. Think of it as the transportation center of Nagaland, with connections that'll get you where you need to go somehow. First, we've got Dimapur Airport, your way to the skies. This isn't just any airport, it's the only one that's open in the whole state. Flights to Kolkata, Guwahati, they'll take you to new adventures. But if you're like me, you'd rather stay on the ground. That's where Dimapur railway station comes in. It's an important stop on the Indian Railways network, connecting you to Kolkata, Guwahati, Jorhat and more. Chapter 7. Uncharted territory. Dimapur's hidden gems. Listen up, adventurers. Dimapur isn't just about busy markets and old ruins. It's a starting point to some of the most amazing, off-the-beaten-path treasures you'll ever see. First, we've got the Kachari ruins. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bear, we've already been there, but trust me, these ruins are worth a second look. Every time I visit, I find something new, some hidden detail that gives me chills. Next, we're going to Dzepha Craft Village, a place where time seems to stop. Here you'll see the magic of traditional Naga craftsmanship up close. Hand-woven textiles, intricate bamboo products, mind-blowing wood carvings. It's a treat for your senses, but for me, the best part is Japfu Peak. The hike to the top is tough, but the views from the summit are absolutely stunning. Chapter 8. Shaping Young Minds, Dimapur's Education Hub. Surviving in the wild isn't just about being strong, it's about knowledge, about using your brain to overcome challenges. And in Dimapur, education is a big deal. This city has some of the best schools and colleges in Nagaland, attracting students from all over. We're talking about places like Dimapur Government College and Practical Bible College, where young minds are encouraged to think critically and learn new things. Dimapur knows how important practical skills are, offering courses in everything from fixing cars to computer programming. Chapter 9. Let's celebrate. Listen, out in the wild, when you find a moment of joy, you enjoy it, you embrace it. And in Dimapur, there's no shortage of reasons to celebrate. This city knows how to throw a party, and trust me, you're invited. We're talking about a year-round calendar packed with cultural events, each one a vibrant display of Naga traditions, music, dance and food. But the biggest event, the one that attracts people from all over India and beyond, is the Hornbill Festival. Held every December, the Hornbill Festival is an explosion of color, music and dance. It's a celebration of Naga heritage, a chance to see ancient rituals, to lose yourself in the rhythm of the drums, to taste the incredible flavors of Naga cuisine. Chapter 10. Dimapur 2.0 – A City on the Rise. Dimapur is always changing, evolving, adapting, always trying to improve. Over the years, it's gone through an amazing transformation, embracing modern development while holding onto its rich heritage. We're talking about better infrastructure, smoother roads, modern hospitals, and a growing business sector. Dimapur is becoming a magnet for businesses, with new shops, restaurants, and businesses popping up everywhere. But even as Dimapur grows, it never forgets its roots. Chapter 11. Beyond the concrete, Dimapur's wild side. Now, you might not find lions and tigers roaming the streets of Dimapur, but don't let that fool you. This city is surrounded by some of the most beautiful nature you'll ever see. Just a short distance from the city, you'll find yourself surrounded by lush green forests, rolling hills and crystal clear rivers. The air is fresh. The only sounds you hear are from nature, and the stress of city life disappears. For the real adventurers, the Intanki Wildlife Sanctuary is a must-visit. Here, you'll have the chance to spot rare and endangered animals, hike through thick jungle, and experience the raw power of nature firsthand. Outro until next time, Dimapur. So there you have it, adventurers. Dimapur, a city that's full of surprises, a place where ancient history meets modern energy, where vibrant culture meets breathtaking nature. We've explored its hidden streets, climbed its highest peaks, and immersed ourselves in its rich traditions. But most importantly, we've experienced the incredible spirit of its people, their warmth, their resilience, their love for life. Dimapur, you've challenged us, surprised us, and left a lasting impression on our hearts. Until next time, stay wild. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible adventures.